gap on the 543 section seems a bit wide up there.
All right, I'll have the team verify the specs.
Team B, confirm alignment on sector 490.
Reading steady, Team A. Locking clamps now.
Assembly 5 meters. Confirm stabilization.
Roger that. Lowering 5 meters.
Clear on my side, Chief.
How's the balance looking on your end? Looks good. Keep it steady, coming up slowly.
Scene 27.
Slow down!
Okay, stop. Bring it left just a foot.
Lowering sequence initiated.
Bring it up steady, watch the clearance on the coupling. All right, she's clear. Hold fast. Check the alignment on frame 42.
Looks good from here. Bring the crane down slowly.
Keep her steady, lads. Easy on the starboard line.
All right, she's clear. Take her up slow.
Bring it down slowly, keep it steady. Clear on this side, easy now. All right, take the strain, lower it down easy, watch the starboard side. Hold it steady, watch the starboard line. Roger that, easy now. Lower easy now, watch the port side. Hold it, stop the crane. Keep lowering, slow and steady. Watch the alignment on the starboard side.
Okay, easy now, and hold position. Stop the hoist.
Slack on line 3, we need more tension on the starboard side.
Copy that. Check the welds on the upper blade.
42 inches confirmed. Log that. Taking the strain, lift on my count.
Steady now, hold the line. Taking it down slow, watch the alignment. Valve secure at 200 PSI.
Acknowledge, pressure holding steady.
Check the flow rate on the auxiliary line.
Steady on the hoist, bring it down another inch.
Watch the alignment on the far side.
All right, we're seated, lock her down.
Bring her down slow. Hold it right there.
Watch the clearance on the left. Bring it up easy. Align it with the second bracket there.
Easy now, easy.
Watch the cable slack.
Keep pumping the jack.
Steady, watch the hoses. Moving forward slowly. Check the pressure on valve 4.
Clear, clear.
Bring that beam up, watch the conduit. Lower away.
Watch the starboard side.
Steady now, easy.
Hold her steady now, easy on the descent. Just a little tighter on that screw, then we can polish this section.
Check the laser line alignment. Looks flush.
Tap it down firmly.
Circuit engaged. Looks correct.
Yes, sir. And the plaque is secure.
The wear on this link is significant.
Yes, the ultrasonic reading confirms it's below tolerance here.
We need to cycle the windlass and inspect the next section.
Steady now, heave. Watch the line as she comes around to starboard. Steady now, heave.
Watch the line on the starboard side.
Lower away, nice and slow. Hold it steady on the left. Bring it down slowly, watch the rail.
From the massive scale of the hull assembly to the intricate electrical wiring deep within, the construction of the Titanic was a marvel of engineering.
We have a major breach on level 4.
Acknowledged. Rerouting pumps now. Systems holding at 60%.
Easy now, lower away.
Hold fast on the starboard line.
Steady, pull, heave. Keep the tension. Hold it right there. All right, up top, secure the latches.
Check the alignment on frame 42.
We need another ½ inch on the starboard side.
Gauge reads 500 psi. Noted.
Turning the valve now, confirm pressure stabilization.
Pressure stabilizing, we are good to go.
Check the H2 gauge. She's dropping faster on the starboard side.
Aye, steady as she goes.
Pressure on gauge 7 is still fluctuating.
The schematics say that shouldn't happen.
Check the alignment on the shaft bearing.
Sirs.
The pressure on the starboard gauge is fluctuating.
Yes, but the oil viscosity is stable according to the reading.
Hold the tension on the forward line.
Aye, steady as she goes.
All engines slow ahead. Keep the tension on those lines.
Main propulsion synchronized. Increasing starboard ballast by 5 degrees. Awaiting harbor master confirmation.
Lower the boat slowly.
Watch the tension on the cables.
Steady now, steady.